Have you ever seen a large gear repaired by splicing it with dowel pins in a Pakistani repair shop? Creativity and boldness go hand in hand. Take this massive gear that broke cleanly in half. For example, traditional welding wouldn't provide enough strength. But that's no obstacle for the ingenious uncle with glasses, who believes everything can be fixed. First, he used an angle grinder to meticulously smooth the fractured surfaces. Only by carefully grinding the surfaces flat can he ensure a perfect fit during reassembly, preventing any distortion in the gear's circular alignment. After taking multi-directional measurements with a spirit level, he divided the fracture width into 3 equal parts. These 3 points would serve as the insertion locations for the dowel pins. After marking the spots with repeated strikes of a center punch, he carefully drilled pilot holes to avoid misalignment. The meticulous uncle then used a spirit level to check and recheck, ensuring absolute precision. Achieving perfectly vertical holes is critical for this repair. And even the experienced uncle didn't dare relax. To enhance the dowel pin holes, he chamfered the edges with a large drill bit, demonstrating the attention to detail of a true craftsman. The 3 holes were drilled to uniform depths. However, aligning the other half of the gear with the same precision posed a significant challenge. The craftsman mixed a small amount of grease with pigment and applied it carefully to the fractured surface of the first gear half. Then, he pressed the 2 halves together. While the grease had no adhesive properties, it cleverly left imprints at the exact locations where the dowel pin holes needed to be drilled. After marking the spots again with a center punch, he replicated the 3 holes on the second gear half, ensuring they matched the depth and alignment of the first set. Drilling these holes with a bench drill was relatively straightforward, since the repair shop didn't have dowel pins of the required size. The craftsman improvised by selecting a metal rod with a slightly larger diameter. However, for a seamless fit, he needed to account for the differences in their measurements and make further adjustments. The metal rod was carefully machined to reduce